Amid the rising incidents of dog attacks, Haryana government has now come out with a circular. It appears to be a diktat, and if you have a pet dog, listen very carefully, because the Haryana government has now said you need to have a license if you want to raise a dog. Nobody will be allowed to raise a dog without getting a proper government license from the state government. Also, it appears that only one dog, one animal will be allowed for each parent owner, and that there should be a mask, so to say, that should be put on the dog, and that primarily a muzzle, so that they cannot attack anyone while being taken out. As you're looking at some of the previous incidents, attacking a delivery agent, attacking a child in an elevator, but now this appears to have become a state government circular. Let's quickly bring in India Today's Manjeet Sehgal. Manjeet, that's a strong circular, because it will raise a lot of concerns if that perhaps can stop these attacks. What are the guidelines? And those listening right now, and if they are raising a dog, what accordingly the state government is telling them?
Well, Pooja, as you said, the dog bite incidents are on rise in Haryana, and district administration in Panchkula had earlier banned rearing of two types of dogs, one pit bull and another variety. But now the government has made it mandatory for every household to get a license to rear a dog, and failing which they will be fined. And if someone is found rearing a pit bull or a Rottweiler, they will have to pay a fine of rupees 2,000. Now it has also been made mandatory to the owners of the dogs to put a mask on the face of on the mouth of a dog in case dogs are being taken out, and only one household will be allowed to keep a single dog only. So legislation is being worked out. The notification, formal notification is being worked out, but the government has made it clear that every dog owners will have to seek a permission to a license to rear a dog, failing which they will be fined and will face action from the local municipalities.
All right, Manjeet, tracking all the latest coming in. If you have a dog and are a resident of Haryana, there are strict guidelines coming in. You need a state license and possibly only one dog. And what about others who have more than one? They'll have to seek further approval from the state government in Haryana. Manjeet, thank you very much for now.